Molweni. In this video we get to know and talk about Zolile, and our heading is Ukwazana no Zolile. So first of all, let us find out what his name and surname are. How do we ask the question and answer? What is his name? Ungubani igama lakhe. You are accustomed to lakho. Now it becomes igama lakhe. His name is Zolile. Nguzolile igama lakhe. And what is his surname? Ungubani ifani yakhe. Now yakhe, whereas you had Yako before, his surname is Sindile. Ngusindile ifani yakhe. So note the difference in the use of igama and ifani. What is Zolile's health like? Impilo ka Zolile. How is he? Unjani uzolile. Unjani uzolile. He is fine, thanks. Uphilile or uyaphila enkosi. How is the weather in his opinion? Injani imozulu. Zolile says it is just hot. Uzolile uti kushushu cha. He says it is just cold. Uti kuyabanda cha. So take note of what he says. Uti. Uti kuyabanda cha. And we could carry on and say uti kunomoya cha. Uti imvula cha. Uti kupholile kamnandi namhlanje, and so on. So these are the things that he says. These are his comments. What are his, or what is his, where is his home and his origin? Ikhaya nemvelaphi. So now where does he live? Uzolile uhlalaphi. He lives in Port Elizabeth. Uhlala eBhayi. Has he been in PE for a long time? Kudala ehlala eBhayi. So kudala, and not u for he or she, but e. Kudala ehlala eBhayi. Ewe kudala, or you could say ewe kudala ehlala eBhayi. Or not for long. Hayi akudalanga. Let us just get rid of that. Uvela or usuka pi. Where does he come from? Recently or originally? Originally, then he comes from Grahamstown. Usuka eGini. Talking about Zolile's address. Again the question, where does Zolile live? Uzolile uhlalaphi. He lives in Woma. Uhlala eWoma. He lives in the townships. Uhlala elokishini. He lives in a house. Uhlala endlwini. What is his address? Ithini iadresi or idilesi yakhe? It is 45 Main Road. ET 45 Main Road. He lives in Main Road at number 45. Uhlala e Main Road kwa number 45. What does he know or not know about a place? First of all, about myself. Mna ndihlala e Central. I live in Central, as for me. And what does Zolile have to say about this? Uthini uzolile. Does he know this place called Central? Uyayazi iCentrali. Yes, he does know it. He says so. Ewe uthi Uyayazi. Yes, he knows it a little. Ewe uyayazi kancinci. No, he says he does not know it. And here is something new. Hayi uti akayazi. You were accustomed to andiyazi when I don't know. Now if he does not know, it is akayazi. Regarding Zolile's marriage details. Zolile, is he married? Uzolile utshatile. Yes, he is married. Ewe utshatile. No, he is not married. Hayi, again the akachatanga. No, he is not married as yet. Hayi, akakachati. So notice the pronunciation or enunciation. Akakachati. What about the people in Zolile's home? Abantu ekhayeni likaZolile. With whom does Zolile stay at home? Uhlala nabani ekhaya uZolile. He lives with his wife. Uhlala nonkosikazi wakhe. He lives with someone in a relationship. Uyahlalisana. He lives with his family. Uhlala nefamily yakhe. Uhlala nefamily yakhe, with his family, namely wife and children, unkosikazi nabantwana. Or he lives alone. Uhlala yedwa. He looks after himself. Uyazihlalela. Okay? Nabani, nonkosikazi wakhe. And then furthermore, you just use the u, referring to the things that he does. And yedwa, him alone. The number of people at his home. Inani, the number. Labantu ekhayeni lakhe. How many people at his home? Bangaphi abantu ekhayeni lakhe? It is only him. Nguye, it is him. Yedwa, alone. There are two of them. Babini. There are three of them. Batatu. 6 of them. Batandatu. 4. Bane. 5 of them. Bahlanu. Where is he going? Uyaphi. Notice the slightly higher pitch. Uyaphi. As opposed to you. Uyaphi. Where is he going to now? Uyaphi ngoku. He is going home. Uyagoduka. He is going to town. Uya etown or edolophini. To the shop. Uya evenkileni. To his office. Officini. To class. Uya eklasini. He is going to a meeting. Uya emitingini. Zolile at work. Uzolile emsebenzini. Does he work? Uyaphangela. Yes, he does. Ewe uyaphangela. Where does he work? Uphangela phi. He works at a particular place. Uphangela or as I said for the municipality, perhaps kwa masipala. He is self-employed. Uyazisebenzela. Alternatively, he is unemployed. Hayi, he not. Pangeli, perhaps retired. Udla umhlalaphansi. His work details. Iinkcukacha zomsebenzi kaZolile. Zolile's work details. Has he been working for a long time? Kudala, and again we have that. Kudala phangela wherever it may be. Where kudala. No, he started or arrived in 2013. Hayi, ufike ngo-2013. No, he only started this year. Hayi, uyafika kulo nyaka. What is his work, or what does he do? Uyintoni umsebenzi wakhe? Uyintoni umsebenzi wakhe? Or what is he? What is his position perhaps at work? Uyintoni emsebenzini? Perhaps he might just be an entrepreneur, and a new word for us. Ungusomashishini. Usomashishini is an entrepreneur. Good, so now in this video you have learned to talk about him or her, the third person, and you have used the u for him or her to refer to the things that he does, and after kudala that u has become e. Enkosi kakhulu.